After all that bullshit.
After all that bullshit.
So what we ended up doing was we decided to take the whole motherfucking the alternator and the AC compressor bracket off. That was the only way we could think of.
Yeah, because we weren't gonna get it from the wheel well.
Okay, there was no space, and plus the motor mount was in the way directly right there.
So what we had to do was we had to get the bracket, take the bracket off basically, drill a hole with a bit, and then hit one of these, which we already got one stuck. You see how the bolt snapped, so we finna remove it right now. Put my foot right there. Oh, wrong way. It comes off easy. Boom. Broken bolt extracted.
Oh wait, hold on. Let's see how much length we're missing.
So basically,
Here's this way.
the rest of this snap like that. Boom. Clean off. Yep. So now we're gonna replace it with the new one and throw it all back together. Clean some of the parts. Have my boy back on the road.
Mobile again. It's this motherfucker. Found a bolt out there. I don't know how many fucking hours. Gotta go return that one now. Yeah, so fucking lucky.
How do you feel about this though? It's rubbing on the thing.
That should be in the back then.
See?
Yeah.
But it's still rubbing on it. Is it?
It is. I see it.
I feel like it's supposed to have a washer or something.
Thanks to that little fucker, I actually got this hoe running now. I gotta take out the blocks real quick. One. Ah, bitch. That's two. I hate this car now. I'm gonna sell it. Fuck it. I appreciate the homie coming through, having me get this bitch back on the road. Now I gotta work on this car next. Now I gotta clean up my little garage space. Car is running good so far. Just picked up my delivery. I do like custom t-shirts, hoodies, decals, die cut stickers, graphic designs, you know, the designer shit. On my way to go drop off an order for a customer, and my print connection, they did a favor for me. They heat pressed it for me, so made it a lot easier from the meat spot. Just did straight to the customer's house in 2 minutes. So take a photo before he takes it for me. If I would known he would do that, I would buy him a shaggy decal sticker. Yeah, it's definitely not me. on my way to work. Been sick for a week. That's why I haven't filmed last week or for the past 2 weeks, to be honest. Daly's doing good. I just gotta do the valve covers next. Then get this shit. Well, I'm getting some money put up to the side because I think I'm gonna go with a G37 next, to be honest, or a Q50 if I can find one for a good deal. Particularly a 3.7T. I forgot what year, but I don't want the one with the electric steering, because if that shit goes out, you pretty much have to reprogram the whole car so the power steering could function with the car, or the ECU, to be honest. I ain't trying to do all that. But yesterday, since yesterday, Sunday, I actually touched the G35. I actually pushed the engine myself more to the driver's side. So I got the turbo fitted back in finally. Now I gotta let my homegirl do the downpipe again, because I do not remember if I put it with the new turbo to see if it fit behind the manifold on the exhaust side. Yeah, I don't remember. But worst comes to worst, I'll just let her do the downpipe for me. And the transmission, I actually have a picture I'm gonna post right here in the corner. So it's literally like off by like a little, like a half an inch, literally just half an inch. If I could just push that cross member over a little bit more, I'll get all 4 bolts back in. And plus I gotta retap it. Alright, so I just got home from work. I didn't know we have a parts cleaner at the shop, so I took advantage of that. It kinda cleaned up better than before, but to be honest, I think I'm still gonna do the porting myself and polishing next. Then after that, I think I'm gonna get it powder coated black again still, just like my other one. But I got these kind of cleaned up. I wish I did a before and after, but pretty much like this, but it was way darker on these together. Well, that parts cleaner, the parts cleaner at the shop did its job. Somewhat, but that's the next move. Pretty much got everything put back together. I think this part is alright. I'll Google some images real quick before I install it. But other than that, I got the new exhaust gasket right there. These are upgraded non-BBTI's gaskets for the manifold. So they look 3D printed, but they're very solid, and I don't know, I haven't tested them out yet, but some goodies for the JZ. But other than that, got me a new impact, because everybody gonna need that Ugga Dugga at one point. And I got the belt right here, and I'll give you a short story of why everything's still apart still. Because Power Dynamics decided to give it back to me in pieces, but that'll be another day, another video. But almost there, getting there, step by step. Alright, so I got everything taped off, or really masked off, to prevent any debris to fall in. Then yeah, that's it for for now until I go outside, get some free time, and explain what's going on with the G35. Like, where is it? Why is it not finished? Pretty much like where I'm at. So, yeah.